Okay, superheroes, we're going to play a game now. We're going to play musical statues, okay? So, when the music stops, we've got to freeze. And today, we're going to freeze as some of our favourite superheroes. Now, I've picked 4 that we're going to try today, and we're going to look at how they move and do it ourselves, okay? So my first superhero that I've picked is Spider-Man, okay? So I want you to move around shooting your spidey webs. And remember, Spider-Man swings, doesn't he? He shoots a web and he swings. So I want to see you swinging and shooting your webs, okay? And then when the music stops, we're going to go freeze. And we're going to make our Spider-Man pose. Yeah, good job being still. Okay, my next one is going to be the Incredible Hulk. Now, if you don't know the Incredible Hulk, he is really big, strong, and green, okay? So we're going to be big and strong today. So we're going to stomp around like Incredible Hulk. Stomp, 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 stomp. Really big high knees and stomp. And we might have a bit of a stomp and a stop. Good. And then when the music stops, I want you to freeze in the toughest pose you can. Yeah, good. Now my other favourite superhero is Wonder Woman, okay? And she has a really powerful spin, okay? So we're going to do some spinning like Wonder Woman. So we're going to go, woo, and do a really powerful spin. She also has power jumps that get her to move really far. So we're going to have a go at going, big power jump. Good. So we're going to go up and down. Good. Make sure you're bending your knees and you're nice and light on your feet. So power spins and jumps for Wonder Woman. And then when the music stops, I want you to show me your Wonder Woman pose. So hands on hips, nice and strong. Hey, very good. Now my last superhero, I've gone for Superman, because I really fancy doing some flying, okay? So we're going to fly round the space. You can go up and down, all the way around when you're flying. Good. And then we're going to, when the music stops, we're going to freeze in a balance. So a flying balance. Excellent. Now, you can copy me or you can pick how you want to move as each superhero, okay? Should we give it a go? Yeah! Right, ready? So our first one that I'm going to pick, shall we start with Spider-Man? Yeah? Right, ready? We're going to move around like Spider-Man. Should we go for Hulk? Yeah? Waiting Barons, ready? Stomping, ready? Big high knees, really strong. To be, Wonder Woman. Are you ready? So lots of spinning and big jumps. Here we go, power spin. Woo! And I'm gonna jump. And then look for danger. Fantastic! I do love jumping, nature. Right, our last one is going to be Superman. So we're going to go flying. Are you seen Barad? Here we go. Freeze ready enough, fly balance, you can die tree.